Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to tell you that how can we get the knowledge about any object by giving the answers of following questions. Now let's start our work. What is this? What is this? This is a chair. This is a chair. What color is this? What color is this? Its color is red. Its color is red. We use it for what? We use it for what? We use it for sitting. We use it for sitting. Do you like it or not? Do you like it or not? I like it very much. I like it very much. Your home assignment is conversation about any object. Number 1, what is the name? Number B, what is the color? Number C, we use it for what? And number D, do you like it or not? Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.